You've probably seen carbon dioxide do one thing. It rises, it spreads, and it disappears into the atmosphere. That's the version most of us know. But in the trailer, you saw something different. Carbon dioxide didn't escape. It went underground. And instead of being stored, it was changed. This video is where we slow down and explain how that transformation actually happens. Because turning a gas into stone isn't a theory, it's a process. And it starts with a problem most carbon solutions never fully solve: storage. Most carbon capture systems compress CO₂ and inject it deep underground, hoping it stays there. But gas remains gas. It builds pressure. It searches for fractures, and over time, storage always raises the same question: what happens decades later? Some engineers decided to stop asking how to store carbon and ask something else instead. What if carbon dioxide could be removed from the system entirely? The answer wasn't in the air. It was already underground, in volcanic rock. Basalt is rich in minerals like calcium and magnesium. And unlike most rocks, it doesn't just trap carbon. It reacts with it. In this process, captured CO₂ is first dissolved in water. Once dissolved, it no longer behaves like a gas. That carbon-rich water is then injected deep into basalt formations. And underground, something irreversible begins. Carbon dioxide reacts with the minerals in the rock, forming solid carbonate crystals. Slowly, molecule by molecule, the gas becomes stone. Within months, carbon that would have entered the atmosphere is locked permanently into the geology itself. No pressure, no storage chamber, no path back. This isn't carbon storage, it's carbon transformation. At the surface, nothing looks different. Life continues as normal. But deep below, emissions have reached their final state. Not released, not stored, turned into rock.